Good morning or afternoon or evening, depending on what time of day you are watching this video. We are going to go over our problems for day 8. So we've been working with multiplying, and we are now going to start practicing with some word problems. So applying this to kind of everyday situations. So Nina watches TV for 65 minutes a day. How many minutes does she watch in 8 days? So we're taking 65 minutes and we're going to do it 8 times because that's 8 days. Each day gets 65 minutes. All right, let's follow our steps. 8 times 5 equals 40. Put the 0 and 40 down here. Carry the 4 up to the next place value. So we can add that in just a minute. Now we're going to do 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Don't forget to add that 4 to it. 48 plus 4 gives me 52. So she watches 520 minutes of TV in 8 days. Next problem says, the little flower shop received 56 different orders. Okay, so 56 orders. Each order contains 64 flowers. How many flowers do they need in order to fulfill all the orders? So we have 56 orders, and each of those 56 orders has 64 flowers. So we're going to do 64 flowers 6 times. That's a lot of flowers. All right, y'all, start with the 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Put my 4 from 24 down here. Carry the 2 from the 24 up to the next place value. 4 times 5 equals 20. Plus, we're going to add that little 2 to it. So 22. Put that down here at the bottom. All right, I'm finished with this 2 up here. I'm finished with the 4. Now I'm going to move on to the 6. Before we can do that, though, don't forget your placeholder. So I'm going to put a happy face down here for my placeholder. There we go. All right, now we're going to do 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So we're going to put the 6 from 36 down here and carry the 3 up here, which we're going to add in just a moment. Now we're going to do 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30, plus the little 3 makes it 33. So put that down here. And now I am ready to add. 4 plus smiley face, or 4 plus nothing, is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then nothing plus 3 gives us 3. So my final answer is 3,584 flowers. Like I said, lots of flowers there. Alrighty, last one. So this one tells us that the Titanic had about 36 chandeliers. So those are like the really fancy lights that hang from the ceiling. 36 chandeliers. Each chandelier had 176 crystals on it. How many crystals were on all the chandeliers in total? So each one had 176. And there were 36 of them. So I did 176 36 times. Start with my 6. 6 is 36. So put the 6 from 36 down here and carry the 3 over to the next place value. Now we're going to do 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus our 3 gives me 45. Carrying my 4 up here. Don't forget to put the little addition sign to remind you to add it. Now I'm going to do 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 4 is 10. All right, I'm done with this 4 right here, done with this 3 right here, done with that 6. I can put stars on them because they're all finished. And deleted my 7. There we go. All right, now I am ready to move on to the 3. But before I get started, I need to put a placeholder. I'll put my heart down here as my placeholder. There we go. 6 times 3 is 18. Put the 8 from the 18 down here. Carry the little 1 up here, which we're going to add in a moment. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. Put the 2 from 22 down here. Carry the other 2 up here to the next place value. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I'm ready to add. 6 plus heart, or 6 plus nothing, is 6. 5 plus 8 gives me 13. Carry my 1 up there. 1 plus 0 plus 2 gives me 3. And then 1 plus 5 gives me 6. So the final answer is 6,336 crystals. That's quite a lot of crystals. All right, you guys, doing good. Let's keep going. Where do armies belong? Armies belong in your sleeveys, like the sleeves of your shirt, like your arms. Get it? All right, everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great one.